stresses me so. That is my horrible Vampira impression right there. I apologize for that. I apologize for everybody who saw that. Anyway, you guys, hello. It's Vampira. Welcome to my channel. Just kidding. It's Alice. If you can't already tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial using the Lunatick Cosmetics Labs Vampira Graveyard Glamour palette. Can we discuss this? It has 5 eyeshadows. It is a magnetic palette. Each eyeshadow is fixed in there with magnets, or you could take them out if you want to put them in like a bigger palette. We have some up close swatch action for you guys. Here we have Velvet Moon, Untarnished, Astro Vamp, Necromancer, and then the last one is Nefarious. And the first 4 are like shimmery metallics, and then the last one is a matte with glitter. So it's $35 for 5 eyeshadows, and I thought it was going to be more than that for some reason, which that's pretty reasonable. That's $7 an eyeshadow, and they're great quality. Now, I was super surprised and stoked to receive this package in PR. I didn't know too much about Vampira, so I've been like doing research on her all day and like watching videos like on her old show. I'm literally obsessed. Like, she's so cute and adorable. I feel like we have a lot in common. She's like funny and dark. I'll link below some of my favorite videos that I saw, like the intro that I tried to recreate just now, and then there's another funny one. I got inspired, I fell in love, and I wanted to do a Vampira makeup today. I'm gonna turn the lights on just so you guys can see what I look like. There we go. I ended up being able to throw each shade into this look, and I'm happy with the result. I had fun. Give me a theme, bitch, and I will run with it. As you can see, I've got the nails, I've got the boobs, I've got the hair. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. Not really bye. I'm leaving, but you're gonna watch the video. Alright, so since we are just pretty much playing with an eyeshadow palette today, and it's an old-fashioned eyeshadow tutorial, I've got everything else done, as you can see. If you want to see how I created this Vampira-inspired beatdown, then I'll probably just post the Insta version on my Instagram because I didn't talk through it. But if you guys really like it, then maybe I'll film a talk-through version, like for Halloween or something like that. Just let me know. I have some very creased Shape Tape on my lids right now that I'm just gonna smooth out with a mini foundation brush. And then what I've been using to prime my eyes lately that I actually am really liking is this Ulta Nude Matte Eye Primer. Pretty sure that this is just a sample sized one, but I'm really liking it. So I just squeeze out a little bit on my brush because I'm definitely not going to be using my fingers. I'm just going to go into the Lunatick Contour Book. I'm going to set with the white shade. Again, with the contour book, I'm going to take the shade that I used to contour my face, which was this one right here, and I'm just going to pop that in my crease and really just make my eyelids look a lot more like sunken in. First, from the palette, I'm going to be taking this one, Necromancer, on a flat kind of packing kind of brush. Top off the excess because it's a little bit chunky, like there's a little bit of fallout. Packing on that on the outer half of the lid, so like from kind of like the pupil out to the outer half. This is a really unique color. It's like, is it silver? Is it gray? Is it gold? Very interesting. Next, I'm taking Nefarious, this color right here, on a teensy brush. Kind of trying to darken up the crease a little bit with this color, and also we're gonna bring it down onto the outer V. Really trying to make sure that I don't bring the shadow too low onto my lid because we're trying to create that like big open like eyelid space. I'm trying to create more eyelid space than I actually have. So So I'm trying to blend upwards. So far, I like this palette. These shadows are blending really, really pretty. I'm kind of blending them away into nothingness because I don't want this to get too dark. I feel like Vampira's eye makeup isn't super dark, so I'm trying to not make it too dark. Next we're going in with Untarnished. On kind of like a flat packing brush on the inner corner and blending outwards. And that really brightened it up a lot. I like that. Next up we're taking Astro Vamp right here, and that is going on the lower lash line. I feel like I want to see Necromancer a little bit more, so I just got my brush wet with some setting spray and just patting that gently where we had originally put Necromancer. Just because I want to see like all three colors show up, you know what I'm saying? We've got a little bit of fallout alert. We cannot forget the very inner corner, so I'm going to go in with Velvet Moon, and that's going on the inner corner. And I think I'll put that under my brow, the arch of my brows. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of a wing here. I've got this is my new favorite. It's by Mellow Cosmetics. You cannot see that. Last time I used this was my first impression, and it went on it was so amazing. It was the easiest I've ever done winged liner, so let's see if that was a fluke or not. So Vampira doesn't have like an extremely dramatic wing, so I might not do anything too crazy, but we'll see where the liner takes us. So see what I'm doing with my liner? I'm taking the side of the pen and I'm just literally pressing it. I'm not dragging, I'm not going this way. I'm pressing it and just kind of letting. Honestly, this liner is freaking great. It's really good. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, by the way. I'm gonna use the Spider Effect by Maybelline. The lashes that I'm using today are the 3D Capture Silk Lashes by Bukai. Alright guys, and here's the finished look. What do you think? I love it. I'm super happy with it, although I hope I did Vampira justice with this. I kind of feel like I look a little more Tisha right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I bet if I had a black lip, I'd look more Vampira. Should I try putting black lip on top? I'm actually using the Atomic Makeup, the Modify thing, for what it's made for, which is modifying lip colors. I'm doing like an ombre using the black. It's actually really cool because it's blending super, super well. It's not like it's not too black and it's not drying too fast. I've tried doing ombres before, like with lip pencils or with liquid lipsticks, and it dries too fast or it doesn't blend. Final thoughts on the palette. I really enjoyed using it. I find it very inspiring. The shadows are really soft, very easy to blend, really beautiful, good quality. I love Lunatick Cosmetics Labs. Anyway, that concludes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you like the end result. Let me know what you think of the palette. Are you gonna get it? Would you get it? Have you gotten it? Do you like it? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Graveyard. Why can't I say that?
35 divided by 5 is 7.
Cool, thanks. Chunky. 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 Oh god, is my mic all the way plugged in? Fuck. Fix that. I'm gonna try my best to do Elvira, wow. Somebody shoot me. Bitch, I am liking this. Let's do the top and hope I don't fuck it all up. This is, I'm nervous. I need to focus people. Baby, you can't be up here. I'm busy. Oh my god. Alright, we can say hello. Aww. Look at this little creature. Look at this little evil creature. Yes, you are. On that note, now I'm covered in cat hair, so I'm gonna go.